I think it's fair to say that it is the first time on Smile Jamaica that any prime minister in history is here with us and something to smile about.
I think it's the first time on any show anyway.
Anywhere in the world. So it's so good to have you with us, the most honorable prime minister.
Okay.
Is still with us. And this week's challenge is called Can You Play the Music?
Can you play
So
the
they said
music?
Sim and I will play, but Sim and I can't. Well, she can play. I can't play anything. So we're just going to pick out some and hum it for the prime minister. And so you have to tell us.
Tell me the festival song, we'll play the music.
So we'll play a popular Jamaican song on instruments here. And the prime minister will be guessing.
We can't play the instruments, is a problem.
This one can play, man.
Which one is it?
You're supposed to guess, sir. We're not going to show it to you, sir.
No, Chano.
You going to play it on that?
No, this looks dangerous, this one.
Sir, I apologize.
Actually, you know the song.
I know the song.
You know the song, but it's just for us to make you hear it to see if it's the same thing we
The
are doing.
first challenge of this challenge is that none of us play these instruments except this one.
So it goes.
So, wait, now let me try and find the keys.
Oh, you're going to find a key.
So what is that tune for?
That's the song.
No, that's not the song.
That's what we should be doing. That's not the tune.
That's not
Can
the
you cut
song.
the tune?
Okay.
Okay, Sarah, we could be here all morning.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm just gonna hum it. Da 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 do 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 do.
It's a late artist.
Do di di da 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 da. Wait, he hasn't said the name.
Of course.
What's the tune, sir?
Dennis Brown.
What's the name of the song?
Surely good.
Hey!
I would sing it for you if my throat was
Well,
good.
sir, whether you like it
No,
or
but you
not,
didn't say
use
the
the
name
bro
of the
God
song.
no.
Wait, no, you can't give him this. You can't give him the point. What's the name of the song?
course.
Him just sing it.
You know you want to move. You know you want to move.
But here comes the day when you would see by the Father's hand. Oh,
Oh.
oh, oh, yeah.
What is it?
Dennis Brown.
Okay.
By the way, I have a song that I have made of that as part of my intro.
Is it?
Yeah.
You sing a song, sir.
No, not me.
Oh.
Obviously, you could see.
Right.
I would love to be able to sing.
My head
You
is
frightened me a while ago.
anointed. Oh,
What?
we can't. You have to go home this. We can't play it, Shauna, and the PM clearly.
Which
knows
song
it.
name, sir?
Where you born? Where you born?
No, I know, but it's so the song name. You sure it's
La
not?
la 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 la.
But it's not so the song name.
La 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 la. Da 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 da.
Yeah, so that's Bob Marley.
Da,
Da
da,
da
da.
da 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 da.
But that's not what the song name.
Together.
With
a
a
And
roof
treat
right
you.
over our heads.
We'll share the shelter. Oh God.
A thousand.
Oh, it's me playing that to them.
Dev, come, don't waste time.
But
Come,
that's not
ready
what the
again.
song name. That's why I said.
We are impressed by the PM's musical prowess.
Sir, you can't vex it to me call you bro God, no, you know.
All right, so
Oh.
which one is this one? This one looks.
Oh, this.
Dun 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 dun.
Play the music.
What?
Play the music. Play the music.
You can't play the
Yeah.
drum now.
But this one is nice. I like this one.
Yeah, this is Tinga Stewart.
You can't break through one. Play the music.
But sir, this is no fun because you get it too easy.
It's true. It's because
This
we
one
said
easy.
good clues, that's why.
This
Oh.
one easy.
Yeah.
After three.
1, 2, 3.
three.
Da, da, da. Do, do, do,
I stopped
do,
because I
ba,
want
ba, ba, da.
That's Master Griffith.
No.
Where's the buzzer?
No,
Shake.
no, no. Oh, go on. Continue.
Come on, sir. You can do
No,
it.
no, no.
Yep.
Yes. First name starts with D.
You don't love me, and I know no. Don Penn, thank you for telling me. No. Yeah.
No,
I know the song, honestly, but I didn't remember
You've
the
got
name.
them. You've got them all.
You don't know. Oh. Don't you dare. Okay.
I'm not spoil up my thing, you know.
So
I
play.
I'm a big keyboardist. Oh, okay.
That tune then a sound nothing like this. This one says da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Oh God, coffee.
Toast. Okay.
Listen, I tell you something about that song.
Yes.
I was in China, and we were at a reception hosted by the Chinese government, and they played that song in classical style.
Oh yes.
It was
I saw that.
superb, and it just really shows the many dimensions of our music.
Yeah, man. And the popularity.
Never heard
too.
that. Oh, you
Yes,
took
they
up one already?
posted it. It was beautiful.
You took up one already?
Oh yes. Come, Nev. Ready? One. Don't do it.
Don't not spoil me thing, you know. I want boss as an artist, you know, I'm telling you.
Never don't pick it up yet either.
No, I may not pick it up.
Did you pick it up, sir?
I don't pick it up either.
Did you guys pick it up?
Hold on, no.
I mean, how much more
Oh,
brilliant
many rivers. All right.
The one
All
thing
right.
I could pick up on the keyboard. Chef, did you get it? See, I wasn't. Biggest.
Chef,
tune.
By the way, this is a classic. You know, this
It
is.
is. It is. So you never hear me playing it good on the piano?
No.
All right. Is that the last one? Ready.
This one is interesting for you, sir.
Yes.
Somebody say it already.
No, I don't. Hear it.
Somebody bought it out already.
All right, I get it. Pass the country, yes.
Well, actually, it's past the Dutchy.
The Dutch, but you know,
Well, yes, we know. We do know. Okay. So I think he didn't really get them all, but he's the prime minister, so we're giving him the.
Yeah, but I got most.
You did.
Yeah,
I think he got them all.
Did he?
Yeah,
well,
Didn't get many rivers to cross.
yeah, I think he got them.
And
I think he got them.
I mean, he kind of got Don Penn with some help.
Yeah.
So we're going to say you got 100%.
We're
I'll
almost
take it, but
Give or take
you
a-
can give or take a few percent.
we're almost out of time, sir. As a Jamaica, what can we expect over this weekend culturally? What,
No, you're going to be very satisfied with the show that will be put on,
This is Gala.
the Grand Gala.
I'll be out there too.
And, you know, we will be doing something in Montego Bay, in St. James as well, to kind of spread it so that, you know, that Kingston is not the entirety of Jamaica. But what I would like to say about the celebrations, yes, it is a time for merriment and mirth and happiness and, you know, a little bit of escapism and reflection. But it is also a time for celebration, for us to think deeply about our past and where we're going as a country. And so there's a feeling that all the celebration is centered around the 1st and the 6th. It's a year of celebration. One of the things that will be different about our 60th celebration is that there will be legacies that 10 years from now, 20 years from now, you can say this was done in our 60th year, particularly in infrastructure. You will have lasting legacies that you can look back and say the country was transformed during this period of time. Certainly, you would see the Montego Bay Perimeter Road, the Parliament. We're doing a park, a major park in Portmore, and other infrastructure projects which we will outline. Then there's a legislative agenda, there's a housing agenda, and there's a national security agenda. So this 60th year will be seen as pivotal when we reflect on our history.
Reigniting our nation
Yes, sir.
for great.
Sir, thank you so much, sir.
Yes.
I think the entire Jamaica would have been very happy this morning. to see
It
what-
was my pleasure
a little
to
bit
be with
relaxed.
you.
A little bit
This is the #1 show,
Thank you, sir.
and you guys have been doing such a great job.
Thank you, sir. God bless
And-
you and your family, sir. And
Yeah.
happy independence.
Same to you.
Yep. Most Honorable Prime
Thank you,
Minister,
Mr. PM.
Andrew Holness. What comes up now?
After the break,
I
the
gone
games
home.
continue with JPS. No, you have to stay.
Well,
And their Jamaica 60 trivia.
me and the Prime Minister have things to do.
You are the Prime Minister.
We have things to do.
You notice you're gone and he's still here?
Well,
Very smart gentleman.